Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. I'm coming back to you guys live and crusty as always. So today's video is basically gonna be a unboxing inexpensive YouTube equipment. I know there's a lot of people that want to start YouTube or even just, you know, do things for Instagram, like take pictures and stuff like that, and want to get good lighting and good equipment, but don't want to spend their hard-earned coins on hella expensive stuff. I've been wanting to like up my YouTube equipment because I have this right here, this ring light right here that I use only for lights. I got it off eBay for like $60 and I've had it for almost 2 years now, so it's just such a good ring light. But I needed more light in my room because my room is super dim, and when I make Instagram videos or YouTube videos or just take pictures, that's super light and I have to edit the crap out of my pictures. So I ended up buying right here some equipment that is under $100. It's only 2 things, but it's like essential for YouTube life or just taking pictures life in general. So I'm gonna unbox these for you guys and then also tell you guys the price and where I bought them. So if you guys want to see inexpensive YouTube equipment for under $100, then keep on watching. This bad boy first. I'm gonna have to show you the side because it has my address, but like I said earlier, I really needed more light in this room, so I ended up buying a softbox light. I only bought 1 of these. I was gonna buy 2, but my room is like my room is like tiny, so I can't fit a bunch of stuff in here, so I just bought 1 because I think 1 would look good and brighten up my room enough. So let me find some scissors. But yeah, I just needed 1 softbox light, so that's what I bought. I bought this softbox light for $23 and it got to me pretty fast actually. I ordered it like last week and it literally came yesterday, so I will leave the link for this in the description box below. So if you guys want to buy your own softbox light for inexpensive, just look in the description box below. Okay, so after taking a million years to open this box, it comes with these couple of things. It comes with this box right here. It comes with this, which I'm thinking is the stand for the softbox light. And then it also comes with this bag right here, which I think is the actual softbox light. So the reason why I ended up buying a softbox light instead of just another ring light was because softbox lights, I feel like, give me more of a natural light effect than like super harsh like a ring light does. So that's why I bought that instead of another ring light. So let's get to opening these boxes already. So this is just the tripod that comes with the ring light. How do you open this? Okay, we're having some technical difficulties. Okay, I got it. So yeah, it comes like this, obviously, and then you just put the part of the softbox right here. So let's put this down. Here's the other part that comes with it. I think this is the light bulb. it's really good. I'm really skeptical obviously buying from eBay, but looking at this packaging and then the packaging that came with my ring light like a couple of years ago, they take really good care of like packaging up their equipment, because the light bulb came in like this really good styrofoam case. Most places would just like throw the thing inside like a bag and just be like, your problem, you bought it type of thing. But it's really cool that they put their, you know, fragile stuff in a really good packaging. That would really suck if this came broken, because I don't even know where to buy one of these because these are huge. And then here is the actual, see, look, it comes in a bag, so when you carry it around or travel, it's like easy to put in here. Legend. And it comes with, I don't know what these are called, but you put it on the softbox light so the softbox is not too harsh. I have that on my ring light. It's just like some type of white fabric that goes around it. And then we have to start setting up our softbox light, so. You guys can see this is the way that it is coming along so well. I really like this stand because the stand for my ring light is crap. I have to literally have a shoestring tied around the bottom of this part right here because it just slides down and it just messes up everything. So I'm really glad that the stand is really well built. So now let's just get to this part. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Let's pop this open. Okay, so obviously it's not propped open fully all the way. I think we need to use this thing to keep it open. Kind of looks like that thing from Pixar, if you know what I'm talking about. I will insert a clip if you don't know what I'm talking about, but it does look like that thing from Pixar in the beginning when it goes like the dee 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 dee. If you don't know what that is, you probably maybe too young. I don't even know if they do that anymore, but let's just get on with this video. So I'm opening up this thing. It has like this, let me zoom you guys out. Let's first actually put the bulb in. Hey you guys, after literally like a million years later, I finally got this up. It was a struggle, to be honest, because there's no instructions in this box, okay? So when I was trying to put in the bulb, it was all like floppy and I was like, what even is this? So I finally got it to look the way it looks, you know, all nice and square. So it comes with, you know, the regular plug, and it also comes in the back of it. It comes with a little switchy thing. It's not one of those dimmers. It comes with a normal switch. So turn this on for you guys, so you guys can see what it looks like when it's turned on. It's just you know, nice and bright. I'm really excited to use this. It looks all nice, and like I said, I'm so excited to use this because I've been wanting one of these for the longest time, and I finally have one, and I'm super excited. And yeah, finally, after a million years of trying to put this up, it's finally done. And now we have one more package to unbox. It's right here, and it's basically like a backdrop holder. I've been wanting to buy a lot of backdrops lately, but I have nowhere to put them or, you know, place them. I do not want to keep pinning it on the wall and creating more holes because of the pins. So I ended up buying a clothes rack to use as a backdrop holder. So I am gonna start assembling that so you guys can see. I bought this off IKEA for $12. It even has like little roller things so you can roll it around. So let's get started on that. So this is what it looks like. It comes with all these pieces right here that we are just gonna, I guess, assemble. It has the little pamphlet right here. Yesterday we had to buy a dresser from IKEA. It literally took us 4 hours to build, so hopefully this doesn't take me 4 hours to build. Gonna go assemble this really quick because I have really no idea how long this is gonna take me. So I'll be right back, and when I'm back, you guys will see a perfectly built hang rack for my backdrops. I don't need no man to do this, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we are in business. I finally got to put up this. Everyone knows, like, it's just a regular clothes rack, but I plan on using it to display my backdrops whenever I film, just to give you guys a little idea of what it looks like. Here's one of my backdrops that I like to use, but I never have anywhere to place them. I got this idea from one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Raven Elise. She's like a vlogger. So she did this idea, and I was like, bro, I need this in my life. So usually, you know, just do something like this, basically. I'm gonna go buy some pins so I can just be able to like clip it back, and this is what it would look like. Obviously just a little better. It would just be like this, basically, and you would just be able to see my backdrop part. So I'm really excited to start buying creative backdrops. It's gonna look so cute too once my softbox is all set up and I start doing looks again. This is gonna be so handy to be able to be creative and buy more backdrops. So yeah, this is basically my haul. Basically, this is all I got just for right now. You know, just to get things started. I really wanted to start taking things more seriously in like YouTube and like Instagram and stuff like that. So that's why I ended up purchasing these items, because I really needed them. And I feel like they're gonna be good for right now. For beginners, it's gonna be really, really helpful. I'm not big in YouTube or even on Instagram, so I don't need to be spending millions of dollars, or not millions, but thousands of dollars, or even like hundreds of dollars on YouTube equipment if, you know, I'm not even gonna be using it that often, or it's not like my job at the moment. So I think this would be really good. If you would want to buy this clothes rack, I will leave the link of where I bought this down below in the description box. It's super good. It only took me like 20 minutes to build, and they give you basically everything inside the box to build it with, and you can even take it apart and store it if you'd want to. That's what I'm going to plan on doing. We keep the little tools that it came with so I can easily disassemble it and just throw it under my bed, so whenever I need it for filming, you know, I can have it easily accessible. I don't have my own place or like apartment or anything like that. I live with my in-laws, so I have no room to be putting this anywhere else, so that's why I'm just going to store it under my bed. But I'm really excited to start using it. I'm probably going to even use it right now because I'm probably going to do a look. It's 12 right now, so I'm hoping I have time to do a look before my boyfriend gets here. But these are the two items that I got off IKEA, and my softbox right there that I got off eBay. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like to see more videos like this, like unboxing, like anything like YouTube equipment, inexpensive things, please give the video a thumbs up because I really appreciate it and it would help me a lot to know what videos you guys like. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make new videos every single week. And don't forget to follow me on all of my socials so you guys can see the back life of me. I have a personal Instagram and I also have my makeup account, so you guys can follow those. I'll leave it in the description box below so you guys can follow me and keep updated with my life. And I hope everyone is having an amazing day, amazing Tuesday for me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!